All right, welcome back. So, as promised, here is the line that we've been working on. So, still have a little bit more to do here, but what you're going to see up here already is that the train is running up and down with these extended carriages. So we're just putting another two pieces on here, and that's going to give the stability that we want to get down onto the lines towards the shipping containers. So as you come down to the shipping container, we've now got bends that we're welding in. We've custom bent some today, so that was pretty amazing. And all of these are reinforced down into the shipping container. And as you can see, we've just got a huge amount of wood. But come on, stick with me. But so now also, when you look down the line here, we've got another custom bend we put in, and all of these reinforcements. So we can now run them all the way along here. Loads of robustness, loads of bend resistance on the feet. So there's so much lean resistance into that. There's no give on it anymore, and so we're going to be able to run. Those carriages down here, the new sort of extended limo carriages. So we've set up the kilns now, so we can run our pallet truck in. That means we're going to be able to move biochar out much faster. So that's a big improvement. And so the carriages are going to run in along here. So we'll be down here doing biochar. We'll open the side of the carriage. The wood's going to drop into here. The fronts will be slightly lower. And then we'll have enough from one drying period to do 10 burns. Right now there's 3 kilns operating. So that means we can leave wood in there drying for 3 burns. So we've got our 30,000 litres of water spread across, now catching all the rainwater. So we've got all the water running off this whole roof into it. We're catching it over here. And our trusty train, bringing it up and down on the monorail. So, and of course, as I promised, I'm going to show you the new sawmill operating. So here it is, Ant and Matt are operating this right now. I think they're going to be around here a lot from now on. And look at all of this produce. So here we go. That's a good day's work there already. And you can just see here, it's something we've talked about a lot, but the mill waste, the quantity of mill waste that comes off producing that much milled wood, that's going to keep up with our biochar production. So we have a holistic system. Finally, we have it all in sync, where the waste supply is keeping up with the biochar process, and hopefully we can keep up with the farmers, because there's a lot of demand for it now. So anyway, more on that later. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe and keep up with us here in Wales as we tackle all of the carbon removal that we possibly can and work against that climate change.